How's it going, guys? This is David with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. I'll be replacing the power board on the Beats Solo 2 wireless headphones. If you think this repair is too difficult, you can send them into our repair center to be repaired by a professional. You can also purchase the necessary parts and tools for your repair linked in the video below. So let's begin. I'll be using these tools here, which you can also find on our website linked in this video. So to begin, we'll be taking apart the right side of the headphones. That's where the power board is located. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this pry tool here and start prying up the side of this panel here. Let's go around the edges. Once you got these edges pried up, we move on to the rest of the panel. Okay, now we can see the power board. You'll need to unscrew this screw here with the Phillips screwdriver. And now you can pick this panel or board up. Let's remove these clips. This main clip here, the battery clip, and we will need to unsolder these 2 points here. That's the charger port wire. Go ahead and do that. Alright, so we grab the new power board, and the first thing I like to do is solder on the wires. Get that out of the way. So line them up. Red goes. Red wire is right here to this side, and the copper wire's the other side. Alright, got that soldered on. Now you can clip in this main internal wire here to the board. Go ahead and connect the battery. Position the power board into place and screw it in. So the old power board you will need to unscrew, and the way you place this on this outside panel just clips in like that, and grab this little holder here and the screw. Got that installed on the outside panel, and now you can place the outside panel on the hinge just like that. Clip the inside panel with the outside panel. One side clips in, the other you just push down. Make sure the hinge is sliding nicely, and you go ahead and clip all the way around. And there you have it, a Solo 2 wireless power board replacement. If you guys have any questions, comment down below or contact us through our company email. Thanks again for watching.